Hello everyone, hello CS50 team. I'm Yuan Sheng from Beijing, China, currently in Berlin. For my final project, I decided to program a simple version of the blackjack game. So it is a popular card game where the goal is to have a hand value closer to 21 than the dealer without exceeding it. Players make strategic decisions like hitting to draw another card or standing to keep their current hand. Aces can count as either 1 or 11, adding an exciting layer of strategy. I implemented this game in Python with features like a betting button, automated dealer actions, and ace value adjustments. Let me show you how it works. I start off with 100 chips at the beginning. Let's say I choose to bet 50. It will reveal my hand and the dealer's hand, but with one card hidden. Given that my total value is now at 20, I decide to stand. It will reveal the dealer's card, which is a 3 of diamonds. And then the dealer will keep on playing until his total value is 17 or more. Now, in this case, we both have a total value of 20, which means that it's a push, it's a draw, and nobody wins. Now, if I want to continue this game, let's say I bet 50 again. Now that my total value is 17, I decide to hit one more to see if I can have the luck. And yes, I do get 21. And now it's dealer's turn, and he gets 24, which means that I won this case. These input fields are defensively coded, so let's say if I type anything other than the wanted value, it will prompt me the input field again. So let's continue the game. I want to place 50 chips again as a bet, and I want to hit again. I got a 21 as my total value, and the dealer got a 24, which means that I won again in this case. And that's it. Thank you for watching.